kitchen and rattle those pots and pans. Get out in that kitchen and rattle those pots.
This is sort of like what I do at home. I cook,
So you Twitter and cook?
reply to people. So this is sort of a natural thing.
So this is how to blend your whole life into the
Exactly.
kitchen. So what are we doing here?
Well, oftentimes I come home in a rush from work and my kids are hungry, my family's hungry, so I need to throw something together literally in 10-15 minutes. And so I one day went to the refrigerator and said, what do I have here? I have leftover pasta, I have a bunch of condiments, I need to make something together. And I call this mashup pasta.
I like that
Because in
name.
technology, you take all the really good things that are out there and mash them up together, and you have this wonderful new product out there. So I'll give you an idea what I have. I have some pasta that I make. It's usually angel hair pasta.
Okay,
so I pre-boiled it. I'm gonna just put it in
Steam
here
it a little?
just to loosen it up a little bit.
Okay.
And then what I do is light it up, and I take some olive oil. I'm just going to throw it in here and heat it up.
Ooh, yum.
And while that's heating up and on high there,
Okay.
I'll show you how I cook, how I chop garlic.
Oh,
with my
I love
little
this.
gadget.
I know, it's like a toy.
It's a toy. It's a little
Oh.
spinning thing with lots of little sharp
Lots of
knives
little sharp knives
there.
inside.
And I like using this because my son loves this thing. He got this so that he could help me cook. And this is really safe because you just kind of roll it back and forth like this a couple times, and you get garlic.
And you get, oh my,
So,
look at that.
what
You
we're
would
gonna-
spend a half an hour
Exactly.
chopping it that thin.
So we're just going to throw that in there.
Oh, that
just
looks
like
great.
that.
Okay.
I have more garlic, so about 2 teaspoons of garlic. And if
Okay.
you're really desperate, you can get the jarred garlic,
Oh, yes.
which I love.
Yeah,
Again,
very
when
easy.
you're really desperate.
Very easy.
So heat that up, let it cook for just a few minutes to get that flavor out.
Okay.
And then I have some chopped onions, about a cup or a small onion. Again, if I'm really desperate, I go to the freezer, pull out the bag of diced onions, literally. Again, I'm throwing it in here. And literally what I do when I come home, I boil the water, have angel hair pasta heating up in there, and it cooks in 2 minutes.
Oh, because it's so fine. Yeah,
so
yeah,
fine,
yeah,
so
yeah.
fast.
Just a second.
Yep, and so I throw this in
Throw in
there.
the onions. Oh,
Yep.
very nice.
So those are cooking away.
I love this. This is very
is-
fragrant.
Yummy. You
And
know, and
easy.
the whole house smells good. The kids smell it. The husband smells it. They all start coming upstairs and setting the table, hopefully. So
It
this is
must
a
be
family
time.
affair.
I smell the garlic.
Right.
And then, so it's just a can of tomatoes?
It's just a can of tomatoes, and you know, not even spiced or anything.
Just plain diced tomatoes,
diced
nothing
up
in them.
tomatoes, nothing in them. And so I like to let this cook a little bit more, or else it's not going to be completely full in there. But you know, that's getting all nice and cooked.
Okay, looks very nice.
Yeah, nice and high, so it cooks quickly, basically. No other logic than that.
That's right. Lots of pain.
Yeah,
lots of heat.
Lots
of heat. We're going fast.
Okay, yeah, this is fast.
And
There we
exciting.
go. Exciting. Roll that in, and it's all starting to stew together.
Oh, yeah.
As a result.
I'll stir. I hear
Thank
it
you.
sticking.
That'd be great.
I'll stir, you pour.
Right. And so I have this mixed olive bruschetta,
Oh, that's really good.
and it's mixed
Yeah,
olives
lots of
all
different
together.
olives
So I
all
take
together.
2 big scoops of this.
So no need to measure, just
no,
throw it in
need to
there.
measure.
Oh,
Throw
that
it
was
in there. If you want more
okay.
olives, pour more of them in
Pour
there.
more olives. Okay, nicely done.
And then some sun-dried tomato bruschetta. And again, 2 big, huge scoops of that.
Oh, that looks really
Doesn't that look
good.
great?
Sun-dried tomatoes are the
They're
best.
just the best.
They're the ultimate tomato.
And then I'm throwing in something extra that's not in the recipe book. But these are sun-dried tomatoes that are already cut up.
Oh, great.
So you don't have to cut them or anything. Again, scoop them in. If you have
Okay.
other stuff that you want to throw in from the fridge, some
Ooh.
broccoli or some leftover sausages, you can do that. And then I have these
Capers?
capers.
Wow.
And
so
then-
those are fun.
These are great. I love
Now,
capers.
are these hot?
No, they're not hot at all. They're sort of like olives. They have a little kind
Ah,
of crunch,
okay. So they're a little
crunchy,
crunch.
squishy texture to
And they're a
them.
little color, and they look like peas.
Yeah, and I like a lot of capers.
Okay.
So I usually put just like 1 or 2 scoops in here. I'm going to put
Why
extra.
stop now?
Yeah, exactly.
Excellent. Oh, that
then-
looks really pretty.
It's all, now it's boiling. You can hear it
Yeah.
going at it. And then I have this funky product. Okay, it's called fleur. It means garlic flowers. It's in oil. You can take a look at that. You can
Oh,
smell
yeah,
that.
it really. Oh, it smells good. And it's
smells
really
good.
finely chopped,
And
it
it's
looks like.
finely
And it's the
chopped.
flowers of garlic.
Right.
It has a sweet smell. It smells a little bit different than
It
garlic.
has a sweet flavor, and so I put a nice big spoonful. Look at that. It smells really good.
It looks good and it smells
yummy.
good. So next in goes.
Here's the pasta.
Okay.
Literally just cooked pasta like this, and you scoop it in there.
Oh.
No need to put it in some other pot
Oh,
or
so you
anything.
save dishes?
Yeah, you can. Basically, at home, I cook it all in the same pot.
Oh, that's great.
So
this is
one
so
less
easy.
pot
So
to
once you
cook.
steam the pasta, you just throw it in here.
Yeah.
Keep it going. Oh, very nice.
Yeah, and you just
Nicely
toss
done.
it around.
Okay.
Literally
You're
just-
probably better at it with your tongs than I
Yeah,
am
my
with the
tongs.
spoon.
The tongs can really separate it up. You can use any pasta you want. We like angel hair because
It cooks fast.
really fast. But I think this dish actually works better with a chunky pasta like penne or
Oh, sure. Or bow tie
Rotini,
pasta or
yeah,
shells if
exactly.
your children love those
because it
shapes.
just carries the sauce a little better.
Yeah,
and you
those
just
have
want
the
to get
grooves
it
in 'em.
all kind of mixed in here.
Oh, that looks
Really,
really
that's
nice.
good. Turn it on.
And nice and hot.
And
Oh, you have a beautiful, beautiful pan.
Yeah.
That looks lovely. A beautiful dish.
So what's the time on this now?
This is
Like maybe
great.
7 minutes or so?
Oh yeah, 8 minutes.
And the great thing is that all the gunk is at the bottom, so it ends up on top.
So it ends up on top.
No need to stir it
Perfect.
around.
Oh, it's Charlene's 8-minute pasta mashup.
Exactly. And
Oh, now cheese.
the cheese.
Oh,
on
cheese.
top.
You can never have
so
enough cheese.
You can, just sprinkle on top for coloring and stuff like that. We love
yeah.
cheese, so we just
I'm with you.
pour it all in, mix it up even some more. Multiple cheeses if you want. So it's
Lots
that's
of cheese,
how fast
cheese,
it is.
cheese, cheese.
And
That
really,
is
this is our
great.
favorite dish to make.
If you enjoyed this selection from KTH Cooks with Garlic, we'd love to hear from you. Please log on to our website and show your support for our locally produced programs. We'll make it easy with an installment plan. Pledge $5 a month and we'll say thanks with our KTH Cooks with Garlic cookbook. Inside, you'll find more than 300 recipes from viewers all over Silicon Valley and the Central Coast. Secret family recipes like garlic walnut pesto, or traditional favorites like chicken with 40 cloves of garlic, and modern takes on old standbys like gluten-free pizza. From appetizers like eggplant tahini to desserts like garlic ice cream, you can enjoy the heart-healthy benefits of garlic every day with the 326 recipes in the KTH Cooks with Garlic cookbook. Pledge $5 a month and join the thousands of local viewers who support public television for everyone to enjoy.
Get out now.